Alright, what's going on? I'm back again, just by myself today, but I'm working on pulling my motor from last year apart. I just went and got a new block. I mean, it's just another 350 block. It's a virgin block. It's never been machined or anything. And I'm gonna take it in to get it machined to match my rotating assembly that I have in this motor. I just figured that's a lot cheaper doing it that way, but anyway, here it is. I already started tearing it apart, but you can see I'm already missing 3 rods. This one's loose. I gotta keep tearing them apart little by little, but it's gonna be kind of tough to do by myself and get it on camera. I was trying to find a little better place to put the camera, but let's see. I don't know if that's a very good view or not. Just pulling the cylinder 4's cap off right now. You can check out the bearing. Barely even looks touched. That's got 2 seasons on it. Right in the middle you can see it's wore down, but everywhere else is pretty good. And this side, there's no marks at all. You can see that. I always make sure to mark everything when I'm tearing it apart so I know how it came apart, and I put it back the way it came apart the first time. So I just did it with a Sharpie this time, but most people have stamps. You can see I put a number 4 on there, and then I put a mark to make sure I get the caps going the same direction. I'm just loosening the rod bolts right now, and then I'm going to give it a tap with a rubber mallet. That one's about the same way, right in the center. You can see it's got a little bit of a wear mark right there, but it said 2 seasons on it, so it's definitely not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Hi, Hannah. You're gonna jack your car up. Jack is in the trailer.
Oh, outside.
Just open it up. Get you a woman that can carry a jack.
Shut up.
Ah. Jack stands are under that, right behind that plywood.
Where'd you get this?
What?
The plywood?
Laying bottom. Thing doesn't want to throw out of there very easy.
Where's the oil filter? Oh, it's right there.
Alright, I'm gonna pull the oil pump off now. You want to say hi to the camera?
No.
So if the impact will even pull the main caps off. Kind of doubt it. Okay, so I got the crank and rods and pistons and cam and everything out. Just a bare block now. Here's my crank, my end caps. There's all my rods and pistons. Oil pump. There's the cam I pulled out. So now I have to go out to my trailer and grab the other block that I just went and bought and get that all tore down, because I gotta take that to the machine shop to get all machined up and ready for my bottom end. So I'll be back with you in a minute.
Hey.
All right, we got the old junker block. Came out of a 70s Chevy pickup. Been sitting for quite a while. Old Brad over here got all the tools.
Yeah, everything you need.
I've never seen one of these before, but it's a vice grip with a slide hammer on it. And it's working slowly.
Oh, come on.
Hey, look at that. Hey.
We made it work.
All right. Well, we're gonna keep doing this, and I'll put you on fast forward or something. That's probably why. Nice little rust on the bottom there.
It's only minor rust.
Feel the carbon ridge. Feel this one here. This one's really bad. Jesus. How many miles do you think this thing had on it?
I don't even want to know, but yeah, you're better at get it bored out.
Now you got eye enough to hold that anyway.
Yeah, it did. I was not expecting that.
This is the one that we couldn't get.
Yeah. Well, I could turn it.
try this one.
Well, folks, this is what happens when you deal with an old engine.
Old diesel.
Ah, you just slide right off of it.
Oh yeah, that's true. We've had it so far. Brought out, huh?
Look at that. I don't rust it all the way through. Hey.
Oh, it's because you got the two up against each other. They're wedged.
Oh, I never said I was the smartest one in the world. Really?
There you go.
I'll grab it.
It's a boy! Junk.
Gotta love old engines.
Not junk. 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 Not junk. It's good.
Yeah, kitchen mains.
We gotta keep those in order though.
Dad used to talk about back in the day that there was always the most switch out. Oh, he had a 76, or he had a 72 Charger, and Mom had that 71 Super Beat. And they would actually go through motors like every 3-4 months, and they would just swap them out. Yep.
Alright, well, we got her tore down. Got the caps put on it. Cleaned it up a little bit. Ready to go to the machine shop. I gotta take the block and my heads, and I think I'm gonna send one of my piston and rod with it so they can, maybe I should send my crank too. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to talk to them and see what they want me to send, but I'm gonna load it all up in my pickup and I'll end it off there. Thanks for tuning in. It's probably a boring video, but you get to see the inside of a motor if you're not familiar with them. There's all the parts and pieces that we are throwing away. It's just the old pistons and rods and crank. Motor didn't have a cam in it or heads on it when I got it, so I guess then the old oil pan too, and oil pump. I don't need none of that because I'm gonna go with the stuff that I've had. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch y'all later.